All right, take a look at this. This is a request from a viewer. Maybe they didn't request this, but they wanted to see me take the TinySA around the house looking for RF sources. And so I didn't know how to hold everything together, so I made this little jig here. So it holds a camera at a fixed distance to the spectrum analyzer, and then it allows me to press record. So we are recording now, and let me change the exposure, and let me change the manual focus. So here we are in the garage, and I know there's one noise source in here, so let me turn the garage lights on. And I'm sweeping between 3 and 30 megahertz, so you can see that the band just lights up there. Let me turn the lights back off, lights back on. So yeah, I've got these kind of DIY lights up, and the Chinese AC to DC conversions are just super noisy. So, got to do something about that. When I turn on the ham radio, I always turn off the lights in here, so that's kind of sad. Let me turn on a compact fluorescent light. Yeah, that was not bad. See? They know how to do it. All right, the dryer is going, so I don't really see anything. The washing machine's a bit noisier. But let me, let's go into the kitchen here, and we will turn the lights on in here. And there seems to be some noise. Let me turn the lights off, and we'll go back, and the same amount of noise. So there's something in the house that's creating noise on the AC lines. And every time I'm next to something, like I'm next to the oven now and it's off, but there's all kinds of noise, and that's because of the wiring. So there's some source of noise in this house. And so let's go into the office. And there's some LED lighting in the office. Let me turn the lights on. Wow. So these lights are no good. So definitely want to keep these lights off. Okay, that's good. And then let me show you the real noise. The real noise is in here. We're in the walk-in closet. Let me turn the lights off. Look at that. The noise just completely goes away. And then I'll turn the lights on. And I'll turn the lights off. And these are LED lights too, with those Chinese AC to DC converters. And this is the RF source that gets into the entire house. It gets into the AC wiring and just goes through everywhere. So this is the main culprit right here. So anyway, I hope people enjoyed a brief tour of the house. I think it'd be better if the waterfall display was big. Be a lot more useful for this type of thing. But anyway, I hope that answers people's questions.